What up, guys? This is Pastor Canal again. We're coming out with another video in C Sharp, and tonight we're going to be doing a pretty small, simple application. We're going to be doing a talking generator app, okay, desktop app. So we're going to be using Windows Form. So I have my my Visual Studio ready to go. So let's go ahead and do it. But before we start, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, share it. We're growing it slowly but steady, so which is a good thing. So what we're going to be needing right here, so we're going to need a text. Where are my tags? Level. We need the level. We'll be needing a couple buttons here and there. Let's just copy and get the other one. And also we're going to be needing a text box. Take it right there. Bam, we have it. Let's open it up a little bit bigger. Yeah, let's do that. Let's open it a lot more. Yeah, that's going to be a cool one right here. Nice. So right here we're going to have token generator app. Let's go in here and change the level, and we're going to put it by the name token how you spell generator. Oh man, I gotta learn how to spell the words. What the? Okay, we got token generator right there. So we need a button. This is going to be, we're going to change the level of this button. We're going to say get token. Yeah, we got get token. And also let's give it a name, because we're going to be using this. So let's do it. We're going to do design right here. We're going to change it to token button, token, just token. Yeah, let's just token button. Yeah, token button. But that's how you spell token. Token is just token. All right, we got that. For the next one, the next part is going to be clear, because we need to clear this. Let's change it to clear, and also let's change the name. So this is going to be clear button. Yeah, very specific and simple, and bang, we have it. Now we gotta give a name to our box, text box. So let's see what we got. Text box 1. So we just put display token. Yeah, display just a lowercase display token. That's going to be the name. Let's just do that. Okay, cool. Now let's just change some colors. Let's just change the color for the background. So let's just do for the form, background form, let's just do blue. Okay, so for now let's just do the highlight. Does that look good? Yeah, that looks good. It's not too bad. So now for the text, let's change the color. We're going to do white. What is the, it's going to be 4 color right here. We're going to do white. Which one? Let's just do control. Is that control? Yeah, let's do that. Let's change the font. Let's just do bold. Let's just change it maybe to what is 18. Let's do okay. Okay, that looks better. Now on the bottom, we're going to do the same thing. What do we need in this button? So let's just change the color. The 4 color is going to be white too. Let's just do control, and also let's just do a little bit thick. Let's just do bold. Let's just keep it. Yeah, let's just keep it the same. But the bottom, let's change the button. Let's just do okay. Let's change the color of the button, the background, back color. So let's just do right here. There is a little Indian red color. Pan. Let's just do that. Let's expand it a little bit more. cool beans. So let's just do it clear. Let's do the same thing. Let's just do text. I'll be four color. It's going to be white. What are you for color? Did they pass you? Right here. Okay, right here. So four color is going to be white. Control. And then we're going to do same thing over here. We're going to do bold. We're skipping as the 9 size. And then we're going to do the back color. For the bottom, we're going to do the same color. Going to be way Indian red. Okay, so we got these two buttons right there. Is that cool? Cool beans. So we have our application is looking good so far. And now for the background color of the text box, let's just change it too. Let's just do black. So let's do black. Info text, yeah. And for the fore color, we're going to do white on this one too. If we can find a fore color. It should be, oh yeah, right here, fore color, we're going to do white. Should we just do, yeah, let's just do window, pan. Okay, cool. So we should be good. Alright, so now let's click on our token button, like get token, double click, and that's where all the magic is going to happen. Right here we're going to do a variable. Let's just do a const string, and we're going to put the name chars, and then I have my list of strings. Right here I got capital letters, lowercase. We have the alphabet right here. It's capital, and then I have also lowercase, and also got numbers 0, 1 all the way to 9. Okay, cool. We're going to create another variable, same. It's going to be a string, and we're going to say this was going to call characters or symbols or whatever, you know. And I have a few different symbols right here, or characters. Okay. All right. So, I could add this in here on the string charts, but it's all good. So now over here we got charts, right? So now we need to create another variable. We're going to say a bar random. We're going to create our object right here. We got random. Okay. No, random. Yeah, let's not get confused on that one, because if no, we have issues later. We got an int. It's going to do a length. This is going to be how much you want on that the string of tokens to appear. How many characters do you want? I don't like this. Let's just call symbols. Is it symbols? Symbols. Is that how you call it? Yeah, let's just do symbols. So how many do you want? So we do 50? Yeah. And then we just do another string, random 2 equals to empty string. It's either that or the other one, so it's all good. So now let's create our for loop. So inside right here we're going to have our int I equals to 0 semicolon I is going to do less than length, which we have our length is 50, and then we just do semicolon, and then we do I, we're going to add it, and then inside this for loop is going to have a very important chunk of code that we need. We just do a int a variable, and then we're going to say random. Yeah, I got it right there. We'll say random. Yeah, we don't need that, but we need that parentheses. Let's get rid of what is inside, and then right here we're going to say chars. Is that what it chars? Yeah, that, and then we're going to do length right here, length. Cool beans, that worked. So then we do the variable random2. We're going to say equals random2, and then we're going to add plus chars. That we're going to use this method to get all the specific sequence that we have, element add, and then we're going to pass right here, we're going to pass a variable a right here. Okay, that's kind of cool. That's working good. Okay, now so if we just let's just keep a let's just test, let's just say text, no, what is the name of my text box? I think it was, oh man, I can't remember. What did we do? We put it in, no, what did we say? Display token. Yes, so display token, it should be right in there, that text equals random2. Okay, so this should work for us. Let's see, let's run the program, and we'll take just a second. So get token, nice. So it give us 50 characters. As you can tell, let me just add it. Let's just make it bigger. Well, that's what I'm trying to say. Make it bigger on the design. Come on, don't give me, okay, please. Are you working? It's not working. No, let's close it. It usually happens. I don't know why that's. I gotta reopen it again. View designer. Okay, let's go to text box, and then we go to text. That text? No. Font. Where are you? Font. I don't think we're going to spend a lot of time looking for font. Right here. So I want this to be thick, and I want this to be 18 or 16 maybe. Now it will run it, so we just get token. Nah, yeah, now it works. Cool, that's cool. That's what I wanted to see. And then we cleared it. There's nothing we cleared yet. We haven't done anything, so that worked. So now we gotta add, but let's just run it again. So I want to show you something really quick. You get token, as you can tell, it's only adding this first. So I have all the token, it's random, right? So I have numbers, I got lowercase and uppercase numbers right there. Numbers, uppercase letters, no numbers. Yeah, I have this part right here done, but it's not adding the symbols yet. So let's just add that. Let's stop our program, and let's just do another for loop, and then let's just do it right here. Let's just do int j equals 0 semicolon j less than 2. So we only need to add 2, right? We don't need to add more. So we need to see either of those symbols is going to give me, because I don't want it just to be that big, that long. So j plus, and then inside our this for loop we're going to do int another, we're going to create another variable int, and we're going to say bc somehow, I don't know why, random. Yeah, we need that random, that next, and then right here we're going to say symbols, and that's working good. So and then we just do random2, same thing what we have. Yeah, we could do this, that's a lot better. better way to do programming that way. Char, no, we don't need chars. We're going to do symbols right here instead of chars. Symbols, okay. And the element A, we're passing BC, so it should give us, now we're adding the symbols right here at the end. So let's do that. Let's run the program. And just taking a little bit, okay. Get token, pan. It added this number sign and also the admiration symbol. Okay, that's what we have, right? If we close it again, oh yeah, sorry. Yeah, we didn't do anything with clear yet. And then we have that symbol again, the number, and then we have the, how do you call that, squirrely? Let's do it again. Get token. Now we got the dollar sign, money sign, and then we have this, how do you call this? Oh man, I gotta remember those words. Yeah, anyway, so let's do something with our, we need the clear button to work, so we don't have to go back and this is going to be simple. So what we need here is just display token that clear. That's all we need. Clear, and this should clear the box. And then let's run it again, and then we have a working program after this. Okay, get token pan. We got these two different symbols, so let's clear the text box and let's get another one. And yeah, we have two number sign, clear it, and then we have the add, and I gotta remember how to call that. But anyway, so the program is work like a champ, like a champ. Alright guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more videos. Alright, have a good night, and hopefully this can help you out. So alright, okay, I will see you in the next video. Have a good night. Bye.